guys, it's Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So recently you guys have been asking me to do another what I eat in a day to lose weight. So since that last video, I was on Weight Watchers, and what I've decided to do is do a Weight Watcher keto hybrid. So I am tracking my points on Weight Watchers while sticking to the ketogenic lifestyle. So if you want to see what I've been eating to lose weight, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I start the morning off light with just some yogurt and my coffee. I add heavy cream and then I go for a run. Usually after my run, I get hungry again, so I usually have some cheese and a tortilla. So for today's lunch, I opted for scrambled eggs, bacon, a protein bar, as well as Zevia, and the grape flavor is my absolute favorite. So for dinner, I was craving something savory, and what came to mind was buffalo wings, but I didn't have any chicken, so what I decided to do is make buffalo meatballs. So what I'm doing is I'm just rolling some ground turkey in balls, and then I'm adding it into my air fryer. And I went ahead and set my air fryer to 400 degrees, and I baked them for 10 to 12 minutes, and then I checked on them as well. I sprinkled some pepper and some salt, and I also put some garlic seasoning on top as well. And then I just added everything into my air fryer, and this was super easy, you guys. So usually in the afternoons I crave a coffee, but I don't want to do a full pot of coffee, so I reach for my still pour over coffee kettle, and this is super easy to use, you guys. So in the box you're going to get the kettle as well as the individual packets of coffee, and what you do is you just open the individual coffee and then you prong it onto your mug, and then you just pour over some boiling hot water, and then you have a fresh cup of coffee pour over style. And you guys, this coffee tastes so good, and this is exactly what I need for an afternoon pick-me-up. So I'm going to have Still Coffee linked below, as well as a 20% off coupon code for you guys. This coffee is great for nanas as well. All right, Mom, try your coffee.
I will. It smells delicious.
It does. Smells like Grandma's house.
It looked like it was very nice to make, easy to make. Good. Rich in flavor.
Yes.
And a nice color to it. Yeah. It tastes just like it was percolated.
And like it was brewed in a coffee pot?
Yes.
But it was just hot water poured over.
Yes.
And actually Starbucks does this too. If they don't have the roast that you want fresh, they'll actually do a pour over at Starbucks. So Starbucks does the same thing.
And your box that you had it delivered in?
It's a good like gift box.
Very nice.
And you don't even need, like, this would be a gift itself with like the bow and everything. So you can get this on Amazon. We'll have it linked below. So Still Coffee has been so generous, and they're actually going to be hosting a giveaway in this video as well. So if you'd like to be entered to win a Still Coffee kettle and coffee gift set, then go ahead and make sure you're just subscribed to my channel and comment below. Those are going to be the 2 requirements to enter this giveaway. So good luck to everyone. All right, so while my turkey meatballs were cooking, I wanted to go ahead and make another batch of my sugar-free brownies because these give me life and they help me with my sweet cravings. So for this recipe, you want 12 tablespoons of butter. You also want 2 ounces of Baker's dark chocolate. You want to add that into your microwave. It takes about 1.5 minutes for everything to go ahead and melt together. And then you want to add a 1/2 cup of almond flour. So I'm using the Simply Balanced. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And then you're also going to opt for erythritol. Now I didn't have any. I just had plain old stevia, and the recipe called for I think it called for 3/4 cup, but I only used 1/4. And then you want to use 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then you also want to use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you want to go ahead and add some eggs as well. So you want to add 3 room temperature eggs. And I learned this tip from Nicole Burgess. I went ahead and beat my eggs separately out of the bowl with the hot butter because I didn't want my eggs to scramble. So I wanted to wait until the eggs cooled off a little bit before I added them in. So you want to just combine everything together, give it a good stir. So you want to make sure you have your oven preheated at 350 degrees, and you're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. So I usually bake mine around 20-21 minutes. Just make sure you check on them. And what I find with these, and you want to line your dish with parchment paper, and what I've found with these brownies, it's best to let them cool off and then stick them in the fridge, and then they taste like truffles. It's so stinking good. All right, so now my buffalo meatballs are ready. So what I did is I just got some lettuce out of the fridge. This is just romaine lettuce. And then I added the meatballs in it. So I'm using the lettuce in place of a sandwich to like mimic a buffalo meatball sandwich was kind of what I was going for. That's what I love about keto is you can just, you know, make things your own and figure out what you're craving and make it. And this was the final product, and I added some nut butter on the side. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and a big thank you to Still Coffee for sponsoring today's video, as well as the discount code that they're offering you all and the giveaway. So again, a huge thank you to Still Coffee for sponsoring today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you're enjoying these What I Eat in a Day videos of me sharing with you guys what I am eating to lose weight. And also, this diet has been helping my acne clear up. So if you haven't seen what gave me cystic acne, then I will have that video linked below. But combined with getting off of Bliss skincare and going into a more anti-inflammatory diet, that has definitely been helping as well in terms of clearing up my skin. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.